Hi, thanks for your interest in the Community Asset Database. In this video, we are going to talk about what the Community Asset Database is and give a brief tutorial on how you can use it. So the Community Asset Database is a custom-built database that the EFCL is managing that lets you see the infrastructure assets in your community. We look at both traditional infrastructure like league buildings, parks, playgrounds, uh, sports courts, and city recreation facilities, but we also look at non-traditional assets that often aren't tracked anywhere else, like trails and childcare, organizations that exist in your neighborhood, whether those be art-based, religious, cultural, or other. And then we also have a place for league funding in this database. So that's roughly what this database is. Now I will give you a quick tutorial on how you can look at it. So if at the top you scroll over this button that says View All Assets, you can view your assets by district or by league. We'll look by district first. So keep in mind that this is very early in our process, but we'll take a view of District H, where we've done some pilot work already. And as this loads, you can see the name of the administrators for the district. Right now, these are test accounts. You can see the park spaces that have been entered and the data that's been entered for them. You can see the league buildings that exist in the district that have been entered. You can see which community leagues are included in the district, the playgrounds that have been entered, the courts and sports fields that have been entered, any city rec facilities that have been entered, any trails or childcare. We don't have any of those entered yet, but we hope to see some. The schools in the area that have been entered in, and any organizations or funding opportunities can also be seen here. When you scroll back up to the top and when we look at it at the league level, you can search which league you want to look at. I'm going to look at Riverbend. And here we can click the View button and see all of the assets they've entered. So they haven't entered any parks, but they have entered 2 league buildings. There are no playgrounds entered or courts and sports fields entered yet. Same with recreation facilities and trails, but you can see all of the same types of infrastructure that you can see at the district level, both in Riverbend and in other leagues. Looking to the assets by league again, the other way that you can look at this is you can pull a list of all of the community leagues that are in District H that have been registered. Again, Riverbend is the only one so far, but as more users put in their data, this list would show anything in District H. That's a basic look at how you can view assets in the Community Asset Database. Thank you for your time and have a great day.